Hello there, welcome back to Cognizance. Today we are going to talk about diphthongs. Diphthongs, what are they? How do they work? And why are they important for us to sound like a pro?
Here are the lesson objectives. At the end of the session, you must be able to confidently say 1. I can define diphthongs. 2. I can reflect on the importance of using diphthongs on point to sound like a professional speaker. 3. I can exemplify the different English diphthongs. The word diphthong came from the Greek word di and phthongus, which means two sounds. In phonetics, a diphthong is a vowel with a perceptible sound variation within the same syllable. This process of transitioning from one vowel sound to another is what we call gliding.
How many diphthongs are there in the English language? Well, get ready because we are going to slide into the 7 English diphthongs and how to master each one of them.
The first diphthong is the A sound. A, A. This diphthong creates sounds similar to great. They make.
Now it's your turn to try. Break, rain, wait. Good job.
The second diphthong is the O sound. O, O. This diphthong creates sounds similar to boat, go, no.
Oops, your turn. Slow, moan, though. Excellent.
The third diphthong is the sound ow, ow, ow. This diphthong creates sounds similar to owl, about, and ground.
The spotlight is yours. Brown, hound, now. Spot on.
The fourth diphthong is the sound. Air, air. This diphthong creates sounds similar to air, there, and where.
You're on stage. Lair, stare, bear. Great job.
The fifth diphthong is the sound ear, ear, ear. This diphthong creates sounds similar to ear, year, really.
Ready? Beer, near, peer. Excellent.
Second to the last on our roster is the sound oi, oi, oi. This diphthong creates sounds similar to boy, point, voice.
And it's your turn again. Oil, toy, coil. That's a thumbs up.
Finally, we have the diphthong oo, oo, oo. This diphthong creates sounds similar to sure, poor, and during.
Your turn. Lure, pure, cure. Good job. We have diphthongs. We also have triphthongs. To discuss this, here's Teacher Drama. Take it away, ma'am.
Thank you, Sir RV, for enlightening us what diphthongs are all about. We now turn to a very interesting phenomenon. Being aware of it will not only make you sound natural and fluent, but also will help you understand what the native speaker say better. Triphthongs come from the word triphthongos, which means three sounds or three tones. It is a monosyllabic vowel combination involving a quick but smooth movement of one vowel quality to another that passes over a third. In short, triphthongs are three vowel sounds in one syllable. Let's have first a quick recap about vowels before we get down to details. Monophthongs have one vowel sound. Example, we have sheep, ship, good, shoot, bed, teacher, bird, door, cat, up, far, on, and a lot more. Notice that the vowel sound in each of these words is short and does not change. Diphthongs, on the other hand, have two vowel sounds put together with smooth movement with each other forming one new sound. Examples of diphthongs are ow as in town, I as in light, a as in play, a as in pear, e as in deer, o as in slow, oi as in toy, and as in sure. And for triphthongs, triphthongs have three vowel sounds put together in one syllable. This is really special because not many words in English have triphthongs. Three sounds are put together in one syllable and they form the nucleus of the syllable. Triphthongs are combination of diphthongs and a schwa sound with the sound of an All triphthongs follow the same pattern. Example, the diphthongs ow plus and the word are. Again, are. So we can now see the phonetic transcripts of this word which is not separated into two syllables. Another example is I plus which is the schwa sound in the word fire. Again, fire. Another example of a diphthong is the ow plus the sound or the schwa sound with the words par and sar. And to illustrate these words quickly, par is a noun when something or someone is strong. It could also mean authority. Another example is, let's say these lemons are sour. We also have an example, I plus the in the word choir. Again, choir. Okay, another example, okay, we have Ireland and Iceland. The first word is a choir. Okay, this is a group of people singing together, choir. Second word is Ireland, which is country next to England. So the diphthongs plus the schwa sound is what we call the triphthongs. In those words, like what we have mentioned, choir, fire, there is no syllable boundary, but for Iceland, the first syllable has the triphthongs, the I plus the sound or schwa sound. They form single syllables, which is always the case. However, some pronounce them having two syllables. Yes, you are correct. Example, power. If it is pronounced in two syllables, then there is no triphthongs in those words. Again, let us try to notice the words. Do you notice something about the spelling? Okay. What letters are formed? If you're a keen observant, then you will realize that in all of these words we have the letter R, or letter R is always involved. There are also other words like royal, liar, buyer, lower, and a lot more. But my question is, do they contain triphthongs, or do they have triphthongs in those words? What is your stand? Do they have triphthongs? The answer is no. Usually, the diphthong forms one syllable and a schwa the second syllable. In short, they do not go over one syllable, so do not be misguided. I know it's a bit confusing. It's a lot confusing. Okay? So whenever we have this pattern where we have a diphthong in one syllable and a schwa sound, okay, they are called triphthongs. Okay, and that would be all about triphthongs. I hope that I was able to introduce to you what triphthongs are all about. Again, I am Dreama S. de Guzman. Thank you.